Welcome again, this is Ahmed speaking. Today we will go through one tip uh, for timing, how to show the date and time for the user if it's a feature in your boot, or how to include it in the application or in the bill or in the email. It's triggered from the boot to you to just can analysis the last time he visit the boot, analysis the time of the application, the time of the quiz, the time of the bill, the time of the usage, whatever. So we will go through the both. It's only simple API. You will go for the specific block you need to mention the time in, and you just use this one. That's all. You will find it in the description, and you go text cards. You can say date. We can call it date and time. We can call it time. Let's test this one. Just date. Bring the date and time infrequently. This date and time of the recording of the video. So if you find it later, so that's not meaning that it's not updated. You can try it and you will find it updated. This is the first option. The second option, okay, I can delete this one, and then I can make user input. I can ask him if it's application or quiz. I can just make a symbol like how much and how many, and simply I just send an email. And just here I'm including whatever the attribute. I just many much date and time, and just let this one, it will work or no. Whatever. I have to send it an email to my email, many much, showing the date and time also. So now you can use it, this feature, as I told you, if you need to show the date and time for the user, or otherwise you can include it in any practice or any flow in the Chatfuel bot in your bot. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.